Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing great. My today's video topic is how we can become a good English speaker in no time. So let's get started. The first technique is speak from day one. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. They wait until their vocabulary is big. They wait to learn grammar first. But that day never comes. So from day one, just speak. Choose the 10 words you already know. Okay? Because it doesn't matter. You can make broken sentences. When you start speak, when you speak, your brain starts connecting words faster and your mouth gets practice. Your mouth gets practice. So you automatically become fluent English speaker in no time. So don't wait. Open your mouth from today, not from tomorrow. Okay? The second technique is think in English. We all do this. We first think in Urdu, then translate to English. And just cause of our this habit, we speak so slow. So from day one, break this habit. Okay. Let's suppose when you drink water, you can say in your mind, I am drinking water. Okay. When you go out, you can say in your mind, I'm going to market. So start small, okay, but speak directly without translation, okay. And this one simple habit can make you 2x faster in your English speaking journey, English learning journey. So do this from day one. Don't wait, don't delay it. The third technique is copy and speak. This is a game changer. From day one, pick one short video, one reel, one podcast, and listen. Just listen one line. Then pause it. Then copy it exactly. Copy the tone, copy the intonation, copy the rhythm, copy the speed. Okay, this is called shadowing. In the beginning, you'll feel weird, but after a week, your mouth will automatically start making English sounds. So that's how you will improve. You know what? Your accent will be also improving without any extra effort. The fourth technique is talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. People will think you are crazy, but this works. Stand in front of the mirror daily, at least for 5 minutes, and talk to yourself. Talk to yourself while cooking. You can talk to yourself while walking. You can talk. Okay? Because when you talk to yourself, you remove hesitation, you remove fear, and that's where real confidence comes from. Finally, you start trusting your own voice. Okay? So ask yourself questions. What did I do today? How was my mood? What's my plan for tomorrow? There are so many things that you can ask from yourself. So, first of all, start having conversations with yourself. The fifth technique is consistency. Motivation will come and go, but consistency will take you to fluency. 15 minutes of speaking every single day is 100 times better than speaking for 3 hours once a week. Small, you can say, steps every single day create big results. So don't aim for perfection, aim for daily practice. Even 1% improvement every single day will make you a very good English speaker. The sixth technique is learn phrases, not single words. Don't waste your time learning single words. Instead of that, start learning phrases. Because single words like can, go, they won't help you to speak. Native speakers don't speak word by word, they speak in chunks. So let's suppose if you have a word go, then you can, instead of that learning it just as a word, learn it as like phrases, in the way of, in the form of phrases. Okay, let's suppose I am going, I'm getting late, I have to go, I'm going to the market, When you know phrases, you can make 10 sentences instantly. This is the power of phrases. So from day one, don't learn words, don't learn just single words. Instead of that, start putting efforts in learning phrases. And at the end, I must say, start speaking. Today, speak bad English so you can speak good English tomorrow because your voice is your biggest teacher. Take care. Bye.